Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure backups with Borg on VPS to external storage step by step clearly. First, ensure that you have a VPS running a Linux distribution. Connect to your VPS using SSH. Update your package list by running the command sudo apt update. Install Borg backup by executing sudo apt install Borg backup. Create a directory to store your backups on your VPS. This can be done with dir/Borg backups. Next, choose an external storage solution to store your backups. Common options include an SFTP server or an external hard drive mounted to your VPS. Now, initialize a Borg repository on the external storage. Do this by running borg init encryption equals repo key /path/ to /external /storage. Replace /path/ to /external /storage with the actual path to your storage. Next, create an SSH key for secure connections if you are using SFTP. Generate an SSH key with SSH keygen TRSAB 4096. Copy the public key to the external storage server. Use the command SSH copy ID user at external storage server. Replace user and external storage server with your actual username and storage server. Now, create a backup script for your data. Open a text editor with nano/borg backup script.sh. Add the following lines to your script. Begin the script with a hashbang, #bin/bash. Set your backup source directory with src equals /path/ to /your/data. Set your Borg repository path with repo equals Borg my backup. Next, add the Borg command to create a new backup. Use Borg create $rapo: date plus %y-%m-%d. To ensure security, add a line to the script to set the Borg passphrase. Use export Borg_PASSPHRASE equals your_passphrase. Make your script executable by running chmod +x/borg backup script.sh. It's now time to test your backup script. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.